sun showers. Hello everybody. It's a fine morning here at Livezey Lake on Olney's campus, and we are about to start work on clearing these pond weeds from the shore of the lake. Now the reason that we're doing this in ag class is there is a long-term goal that I've put in place to turn this lake into an aquaculture growing facility. Now what that means in a concrete way is we will be able to produce fish agriculturally at a sustainable rate from this lake in such a way that we can harvest them and use them in the school lunches. Now that's not something that's going to happen this year, it's not something that's going to happen next year. This is something we're talking about probably 10 years out. But we need some short-term tasks that we can work on this year that can work towards that. First and easiest, clearing some weeds from the shore of the lake. The reason we need to do that is, the reason there are weeds here is there's an overabundance of nutrients in the water. Now that can have a few effects on the fish. Namely, once these weeds die when the ice freezes over the top of the lake in the winter, they are no longer going to be producing oxygen. They will now decompose and consume that oxygen. And that oxygen depletion in the winter can be extremely dangerous for the fish, to the point you can end up with a fish die-off. We don't want that. However, we do want these weeds, which are full of nutrients. They have concentrated the nutrients into a solid form, which is very kindly of them to do for us. We can pull the weeds out, and we're going to use them as mulch and fertilizer in the hoop house, where, while I have not done any soil testing to determine the concentration of different nutrients in that soil, it's always good to add a little bit of organics to some relatively sandy soil. There are several distinct parts to this procedure of clearing out the weeds from the pond. I need 2 volunteers to be my net operators. Okay, taller people are better. Okay. Get yourself into the way.
Oh my god.
My end. Okay. So you get in the water where the end of the canoe is. Okay.
But that's because he's on it.
When I go in,
Now, but we hold this real quick. Hold that. Step on.
Hey, you volunteered, Julian.
Yes, I did. It was a horrible mistake.
Step on the bottom line.
We're gonna get leeches just in case.
I actually have found no leeches in here.
Yeah, there are no leeches in this one. Oh, you're dipping on me.
I'm sorry. Start walking forward. Remember, keep the top line behind you.
You guys touch the algae too.
This is mostly for the weeds that are on the bottom.
Hey, people, help them.
Hey, people on the shore! Participants! We have Bud, Steve.
Ow, not my arm.
You got this. 1, 2, 3.
That's it.
Having fun, Julian? Did you feel that yummy mud?
1, 2, 3.
Bro, I did it.
See all those fish?
I caught a fish.
Everybody get in
Right there. By you. Where? By you, Stubborn. On land. On that mud pot.
Oh! Oh my goodness.
Do I have my teams on shore? Yes. Nava in that direction. Brandon in that direction. So they don't fly. Okay, cool. There we go. Alright, go. Net it.
Drop out.
This would be a little boat.
Drop.
You gotta get in, Julian.
I know.
Okay.
Stop being bad.
Step on your bottom and move towards shore.
What are you doing?
Go help Starbucks.
Levi, Jared! I think we're doing pretty well. In just a few days of work, we went from this to this. Yay!
You like water? Okay, so what if we like rock?
Yeah.
Very gross.
It's algae.
What if instead of
Wait, hold up, Jessica. I have to get.
Okay, pull.
I'm falling.
I think it's caught on something. We have a stick, that is why. We do not need steam. Amazing, what a concept, it's heavy.
Face plant. I'm helping.
1, 2,
Oh, we're still pulling?
one more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Get those fish out of it.
And the beach.
I'm not getting that again. Okay. Get the fish, Papa. Find the fish, get them out. Oh. Beep. Oh. You guys are not gonna get it over those reeds.
Watch us.
Okay, Julian, you and me are gonna operate the net. And the guy's gonna dance! Woo! You have a fish in your pants. That was good. We're gonna aim for that gap. See it? The gap in the reed. Okay.
Come on, go in. Bring the net over there.
Okay, Cindy, Julian, please stand there and out of the way of the rope. Alright! Pull!
Oh my God!
Hey!
Ah.
Hey!
Okay, no killing each other.
Freshmen, come on! Do your job, freshmen.
Pull! Do your jobs!
Pull!
It's actually muscular. That ain't me.
That's right.
And stay out.
Ooh, look at that.
Alright, dump!
That'd be my wife.
Everybody dump!
Alright, that's your supper.
We need
Wow.
to clean up our mess!
27.
We need to clean up our mess!
Gross!
Oh, wow, wow.
Okay, clean that.
Why? Because it makes it heavy.
Alright, we got a good length of the shore cleared. Whew, that's some work. And we're going to be doing this quite a bit going into the future because this is not a small body of water. So we've got some work ahead of us. And we've got some more things on land that we've got to do. We are actually going to be transplanting some strawberries into the greenhouse so that we can establish a new strawberry patch closer to main campus for this coming spring. But this, the pond, will be a effort to be continued. No, seriously, this is gonna take a long time. We are going to be continuing this for some time. But we will be seeing you in the next video. Bye!